How's it, everyone? I'm Trainer Rick.
And I'm Trainer Mike.
And yeah, welcome. Today we are having a battle between dragons and plants, I guess. So Meowscarada EX versus the Salamance EX from Battle Partners, aka Journey Together, that will release later this week. So kind of a cool spread deck. So we'll see how Salamence does against Meowscarada with all its damage placement coming from the Dusclops Dusknoir line.
Wow, got a 1.
Ah, and you said I want to. Okay, so I'm gonna go first.
You get to take a card if you get Pokemon.
I do.
I don't get anything. Thank you.
Okay, so I get 1, 2, 3. Anyways,
Okay.
so we're going. Oh, frick.
It paid off.
Buddew, great. Okay. Great ball.
The top 7 cards. I got Dick and take a Pokemon.
See what I can get. Please give me something decent. Yeah, but at least you've got a Buddew. Now I'm stuffed for the next
Few turns.
few turns. So if I don't get anything. Go.
Okay. Set down. Launch.
See?
So you did good to I'm gonna get operate yourself gonna see Salamence, and you get a dinosaur and then a Dreepy.
Dinosaur Bagon. Or Bagon, however you pronounce it, man, a Shelgon.
Bagel. Okay, so then I place them down, take this out of my hand, put an energy down, Pokegear.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, no supporter, but 4 energy.
Cool.
Yeah, then I'll just.
Pollen. Yay, now I can't use items. Okay, my turn.
Your favorite.
Oh, come on! Use Jacq.
So I can get Floragatos.
2 evolution Pokemon.
Just.
Wow. 2 Floragatos prized.
Wow.
So I can do absolutely nothing. 10 damage.
Ow. Well, actually, it's an ow because I only have 30 HP. 60. Damn. Because I evolve him. Buddy-Buddy Poffin. Another Dreepy. And a Budew. I like this. I retreat.
Into a fresh Budew. Okay.
Research.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't really like doing that because super raw. Okay, that's better. All them.
Yay.
Your favorite. Red Bull.
This is not going my way.
I use recon directly. Ew. I put down energy.
But you pollen still can't use items. Yay! Watch this research. I research. Meowscarada EX, Dusknoir, Meowscarada, Dusclops, Dusclops.
You're gonna need to pray and hope that you get a super rod there. Is Buddy a mosquito?
Itchy, yes. 10 damage to Budew.
Ow. I don't.
Using Seed Bomb. Kaboom!
I evolve. What energy down here? A recon directive. That's not what I wanted. Then Iono. Not do anything. Then I retreat. Use a stop attack. I can do 50 to all the bench Pokemon.
Yep, only the bench. Thankfully, Sprigatito in front is still fine. My turn. Oh, look, I can use items. Okay, evolve. Duskul to Dusclops.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You have 3 Dusclops here now.
Since I don't know what is going to survive. Basic energy. Arven ain't gonna help me, so I have to research. Ultra Ball away. Ultra Ball. And a Dusclops.
Okay.
Take this Meowscarada. Ray Candy. Okay, then
180.
I do 180. He does 90, but because you're an EX, it's another 90, so 180.
Look at the card. My boss is Sprigatito without energy. Then what I'll do is launch. Then I get a Salamence, Drakloak, and that's it. Ray Candy.
Okay, that's why Ray Candy. That guy.
Then I evolve him.
Have you even used Drakloak? You keep leaving the little balls on you.
I use both.
I haven't seen you play a single Crispin yet.
I know. This is the other ability. This is horrible. So I do 50, 50, 50.
Okay, so
take
that one
plus
is knocked out.
Oh, it keeps on getting worse.
And then he's got 70. Does this go up to 70? Oh wait, this one has 50 also. And then 70. Play Energy Retrieval.
You're gonna retreat, right?
his ability, you forgot.
Oh.
Once during my turn I can bring this Meowscarada up front. So I'm bringing him up front. Or her. Even though it looks like a girl. Meowscarada always for me looks like a girl. Yeah, knock out. I don't knock anything out. Yeah. Okay.
Buddy, go. Do your job. Oh, so it does exist.
Crispin.
So I attach all the energy on him.
So that's your manual attachment and Crispin attachment, so you still can't do anything, just do it.
Can I use his ability?
Drakloak, Recon Directive.
Don't need anything. Use the other one's ability. Useless. Okay. So then what I'll do is place him down and Ichipollen.
I can go.
Only 12 more turns to knock you out.
That's not going to really help me anything. Okay, so Floragato. Energy. Since you've made it so that I can't play anything,
Knockout.
I will knock out your Budew. Take my prize card.
Next. Energy.
No, okay.
I used the Recon Directive. Pokegear. Please. Please. How many? 5. Crazy. Nothing. Oh yeah. I use the Recon Directive. The other one. Why have I found like 5 Buddy Poffins from my Recon Directive?
Your shuffling is amazing.
Yep. It's
You
really
keep all the Crispins. You shuffle to get all the cards that are the same together.
It really looks like it. Okay.
You
Itchy.
retreat 90 damage. Okay, now my turn.
Knockout.
40. Ultra Ball. Dusknoir. Meowscarada EX is in the house. Okay, and then I'm going to research.
Imagine you don't get a boss.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna help me anything. No, I'm checking what I've got here. It's 4 Dusclops, so I guess I can't Dusclops. Alrighty then. Let's just see what can happen. Maybe I'll get a super rod and I get lucky. So let me put him down. And then I knock out your Budew. That's my next prize card. I don't need that.
Well, I'm gonna have to eventually bring him up. Really?
Yeah, you do. I'm down to my last 2 prize cards.
I know. I alter ball, and alter ball, and alter ball.
If you ultra ball 2 ultra balls, does that give you like a triple ball?
How many times did you just say alter ball?
A lot.
Okay. At this point, I think it's GG.
I think so.
Because in the beginning, I researched the Super Rod. Salamence's prize. Recon direct. Please. Oh, thank you.
And he's got a boss.
Boss to the Meowscarada.
This guy.
Oh no, then it is GG because I can't get any energy back.
Yeah, so do you want to rethink that move?
Yes. Then I just do 50-50 everywhere.
Okay, so he's out of the game. You get your prize card. And then they're there. And I pick up my card. Okay. So now that someone lets me freaking use
Items.
items, so we can get a Dusknoir, a Dusclops. Don't think about anything else. Really. I guess I'm Indian. It is difficult to shuffle. Okay, I'm gonna give Great Ball a shot. I guess I have to take a Dusknoir.
Watch over the candy on Arven.
Rare Candy, Dusknoir.
GG.
Poppy, Dusknoir, Curse Blast. 130 on him. On your Salamance EX. Retreat. And do 220. And knock out your Salamance EX. Take my last two prizes. Okay, if you had gotten Crispins, that would have helped a lot.
I only drew into one Crispin that whole match.
Because if you don't get Crispin, I don't know. I mean, there's so much in there. There's Draklooks to help you draw. There's Pokegears to find the stuff.
I paid like 2 Pokegears or 3. 2 maps.
So clearly your shuffling, thank you, was for my benefit.